Hi, I'm Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions. This interview was recorded in 2022 at a past Photo Managers Conference. Although the year may have passed, the insights shared remain valuable for anyone interested in preserving photo legacies. Enjoy.
Hi, Philip Griffith with PSG Photo Solutions here again, talking to you from our conference in Denver, Colorado. And this is Clemence Scouten.
Yes,
did I do that right? Good.
You did.
And she is from Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And what's the name of your company?
Memoirs and More.
Okay, great. And you're actually going to speak at the conference.
I am. I'm giving a talk about how to pair photographs with family stories, so you have a fuller picture of what's the stories you want to preserve.
And why? I want to say why is that important? But what have you found with your clients that makes you want to do that?
Oh, I don't know that I found something with the clients as much as I enjoy storytelling. I mean, any story is made better with a picture, but any picture is made better with a story. So I just love listening to people. So I listen to their stories and then I write it up and I put it with the picture and it becomes a really meaningful book. It's in my view a more rounded opportunity for legacy preservation than just photos.
Right. Yeah. I've actually found that myself. We tend to want people to put more text.
Yes.
They necessarily want to.
Yes, that's right. Well, it's a lot of work.
It is a lot of work, but how have you found? Because my boys will get their books out and read them through and look at the pictures and show their friends.
Really?
Oh, yes.
That's cool.
Yes. When the girlfriend comes over and the life book comes off the shelf, you know it's serious.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So good.
Yeah.
Well, I'm looking forward to hearing your talk.
Are you coming?
Either I am or my wife is.
Terrific. Oh, I can meet your wife, who's also from the Philadelphia area.
Yeah. So great.
Well, thank you.
And we'll see you next time with another colleague from the Photo Managers Conference.
Bye.